In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to superscript in Figma. Superscripting text is a powerful formatting option that allows you to elevate specific characters above the baseline of the surrounding text. This is incredibly useful for various design needs, such as creating footnotes, indicating trademarks, or representing mathematical exponents. While it might seem like a minor detail, correctly using Superscript can significantly enhance the professionalism and clarity of your textual designs. We'll guide you through the precise steps to confidently apply superscripting in Figma whenever your project requires it. To begin, you need to identify and precisely select the specific text you want to superscript. Open your Figma file and navigate to the text layer containing the characters you wish to modify. Once you've located it, use your mouse to carefully click and drag, highlighting only the exact portion of the text that needs to be superscripted. For example, if you're working with second and want the ND to be superscript, you'd select just those two letters. Precision is key here. Figma will only apply the formatting to your exact selection. Ensure your desired text remains highlighted before moving to the next step, guaranteeing the change is applied exactly where you intend. With your text precisely selected, the next step is to access Figma's detailed typography settings. Look to the right-hand sidebar, which is your Properties panel. Here you'll find a section dedicated to text properties. Within this section, locate and click on the Type Settings icon. This icon often appears as 3 horizontal lines or a small A with additional options indicating advanced text controls. Clicking it will reveal an expanded section of typographic adjustments. Among these, you'll find and click on Details. The Details subsection provides granular control over text appearance, housing advanced character formatting options not visible in the main text panel. This is where we unlock more specific text manipulations. Having accessed the Details section, you are now ready to apply the superscript. Within this expanded panel, you'll see various categories for text adjustments. Locate the section specifically labeled Numbers. Figma groups superscript and subscript options here because they relate to the vertical positioning of characters, regardless of whether your selected text is numerical. Inside the Numbers section, simply click on the option clearly labeled Superscript. Immediately upon clicking, you'll see your selected text in the design canvas elevate and slightly shrink, positioning itself above the baseline of the surrounding text. To confirm the superscript is applied, simply deselect the text. If you ever need to revert this, reselect the superscripted text, return to the Details panel, and click Superscript again to toggle it off.